वेलकम टू Detox, अनदर एपिसोड, न्यू थिंग्स टू लर्न. एक्चुअली मुझे लग रहा है ये शो करते करते मैं ज्यादा सीख रही हूँ, बट दैट्स द होल आइडिया ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स ना, वॉकिंग अ जर्नी जहां पर आप भी कुछ सीखते रहो, साथ में आप भी. Detox मतलब दिव्या टॉकिंग, एंड ऑफ कोर्स Detox जो आपको और मुझे दोनों को बहुत जरूरत है आज के टाइम में, बहुत बहुत ज्यादा. मेरे साथ पायल रोहतगी. डिड आई प्रोनाउंस इट राइट?
Yes, you did pronounce it right.
Yes. Of course, an actor, योगी, मिस टूरिज्म वर्ल्ड. मेरे पास इतने सवाल है ना, जब मैं आपकी वो मैं पढ़ रही थी ना, आई बीन वाचिंग योर वीडियोस फॉरएवर.
Yeah.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है, बट मैं सबसे पहले पूछना चाहूंगी, यू नो, जर्नी पायल, व्हेन you've seen glam world, you've seen yoga, today you see a lot of things changing, social media. One thing that has changed in say last 15 years, अगर मैं बोलूँ पायल 15 साल पहले और पायल आज.
Payal has, I think, matured a little bit because I think life teaches you
Yes.
a lot of things which I don't think a school or college can teach you. And when you are from the glamour industry, you see the fame and you don't see the fame. So you see the high and you see the low. So the in-between process of learning is amazing. And that's what Payal is now because she's learned her lessons. So it's
Wow.
great to kind of talk to you on your show. But it's amazing to kind of just come back to that whole feel of being an actor.
वाओ. आई थिंक पता है पायल, शो का नाम डिटॉक्स है तो इसी से ही शुरू करते हैं. पायल डिटॉक्स कैसे करती है? हाउ डू यू डिटॉक्स योरसेल्फ इन लाइफ, मेंटली एंड फिजिकली? फिजिकली योगा पे मैं आऊंगी, बट यस, व्हाट इज योर डिटॉक्स स्टोरी?
My detox story has been yoga, actually. It has been a part of my life since last 12, 13 years. And I have to roll my mat wherever I go, even like whether I'm in a reality show or whether I'm traveling or whether I'm catching a flight. Because when you do yoga, you kind of touch certain chords inside your brain, inside your soul, which helps you analyze life better.
Yes.
You know, your reflex gets better, your response gets better, your reactions are lesser because you, me, we all go through the same stress.
Yes.
It's not as if हम लोग कुछ अलग हैं एक दूसरे से, हम लोग सब same हैं. You are in a different profession, I am in a different profession, but we all go through the same challenges. But वो challenges को कैसे deal करना है, that is what I think is what I've understood, and the detox is through yoga only.
तो पायल, मैं ना पिछले 1-1.5 साल से योगा कर रही हूँ डेडिकेटेडली. मतलब
Okay.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक इंसान जो 9 सवा 9 बजे भी स्ट्रगल कर रहा होता था उठने के लिए, आई थिंक फॉर मी इट्स द बिगेस्ट चेंज दैट हैज हैपेंड. आई एम अप एट 5:30. मुझे नहीं पता वो इतना ग्रेजुअली सिस्टम में आ गया है.
Okay.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स दैट डिसिप्लिन हैज जस्ट चेंज मी, लाइक यू सेड, मेरे रिफ्लेक्सेस और मेरे रिएक्शंस बहुत बदल गए.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So is this a conscious effort कि योगा से, you know, you've sort of worked, like I realize मेरी सबसे ज्यादा struggle होती थी with my mind. I've always been an overthinker.
Okay.
मैं अपने शो पे हमेशा बोलती हूँ I've been an overthinker. I wish there was a diagnosis. I would be diagnosed सबसे ऊपर, but it has really helped me. So how has yoga sort of worked on your machinery, on you?
See, basically Payal is somebody who is very expressive.
Yeah.
Okay, and I love expressing, and I think that's the beauty of this country, that
Yeah.
we can express.
Yes.
We think we can express, so
Yes.
we should be able to express.
Yes.
And we should be always allowed to express. Because women, we are different from men. Men
Yeah.
don't express that much. Women do express that much. So that form of expression should be appreciated by men, by society in general. An assertive woman should not be labeled as an aggressive woman.
Absolutely.
An assertive woman should not be called an abusive woman. An
Absolutely.
assertive woman is an assertive woman. You have a right to live. You have a right to earn money. You have a right to respect. You are not supposed to give in to the, chauvinism around you. And when you have men who talk about Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, those men have to implement it. It is
Yeah.
not for the camera. It is in real life.
Absolutely.
So a lot of things happen in my life which I try to express through my videos. Some of the videos are loved, some of the videos are trolled.
Yeah.
But the whole intention is to kind of be as unfiltered as I can to the audience that wants to hear from me. Because I feel somebody has to be themselves.
Yes.
And that's the thing that I try to do.
And I think you were very rightly saying it. कई बारी ना being yourself is very difficult, especially with women. और ये social media में खासकर, the moment you try to be yourself,
Yeah, you get judged.
you get judged, you get trolled, and in fact, you know, I really did a series also. I wish आप उस वक्त होते, but now we can talk about it. Trolling कैसे affect करती है? Because you know, trolling gets really personal. With women, though, it's a character.
So let me just get this trolling thing.
Yeah.
See, we understand that we are in the times of social media. We understand that social media is there everywhere.
Yeah.
Trolls are somebody who don't have a name, face.
Yes.
They don't have an Aadhaar card. They are obviously managed by companies, agencies, IT cells. Let's not get personal with anybody, but then there are agencies, social media companies handling all this. But trolls put things out there because they have no face and name. They attack you. They do personal attacks.
Yeah.
So for me, I don't want to take that garbage inside my system. I want to give it back. That's my way of dealing with it.
Yeah.
Attack is the best form of defense. A lot of people will say, don't react, block the comment section, don't give in to the troll attack. I'm like, no, let a scum be called a scum. Let them understand that they aren't getting into my brain. They want to get into the mind attack, let me attack them back. So I am not against anybody, no IT cell, no agency, nothing. But I am just saying that the trolls which are being used to attack mentally not strong people is a wrong thing, because there are a lot of people who are not into yoga. There are a lot of people who are not that particular about taking a stand for themselves, and I feel sad for them because they start thinking the way the trolls want them to think, and that is vicious. That is an attack on the mental health of that person, of that celebrity, and that is something which I really will not accept, because there are a lot of celebrities who have given up their lives because they've not been able to handle failure, handle the troll attack, handle the society kya bolegi thought process, and so troll attack needs to be attended, and there has to be strict laws about it.
Yeah, I mean there are non-celebrities, kids, youngsters, not so youngsters who've really given up on their life क्योंकि trolling is bullying at the end of the day. वो handle नहीं होती है. I've asked people from all walks of life. Troll बड़ा personal हो जाता है, and no matter what happens at the end of the day, human behavior है. कई बारी रात को सोते हुए दिमाग में चीजें रह जाती है. Then why? I mean, maybe next morning as women we get up stronger yet again. But what do? कभी-कभी रह जाता है दिल के अंदर, and then you like sort of process it. How do you just spit it out of your system?
See, I'll tell you, first of all, my morning starts with the yoga. So the yoga is channelizing my thoughts. It's just making my thoughts get synchronized. Then afterwards, if I see that the troll attack is too much on a certain video or a certain thought that I've shared, I start listening to a lot of mantras.
Oh, nice. I do that too. Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah. I listen to a lot of mantras. I will listen to simple Ram chanting. I listen to the Shiva chanting. I listen to Ganpati Ji's chanting. I will listen to Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. Whatever my mood, I just listen to the chanting, because chanting is one form of mind cleansing. It just makes my mind go sorted. Like even now, if I'm sitting somewhere, my AirPods will be on and I'll be listening to some chanting, and I'm not bothered. तुमको कुछ भी करना है करो, तुमको glass तोड़ना है glass तोड़ो, तुमको कुछ भी करना है करो. I'm unaffected. Because I have found peace in myself. But yes, sometimes you need to call out the troll attack, because there are a lot of people who are not able to do that. They start thinking, if somebody is body shaming them, they actually start believing it. They start feeling bad. And I find that very bad.
It is very bad, and I think it should be addressed. And I think there has to be voices like her, like us, whoever keep trying. मतलब कई बारी तो अपने आसपास के लोग ही बोल देते हैं ट्रोल तो बड़ी दूर की बात है कि क्या कर रहे हो यार, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. But I think there's something that I asked Sangram ji also, because the whole comeback thing, getting a gold after 6 years, and very sweetly was explaining कि 40 और ये. Now the thing with men and women is कि आदमियों को हम बहुत तारीफ कर देते हैं, करनी भी चाहिए. With women, anything past say a certain age shaming बहुत easily हो जाती है, या body shaming.
Yes.
And what do you have to say about that? Like a certain age के बाद की लड़कियां तो लड़कियां ही नहीं रहती ना, आंटी का टैग लग जाता है उसके साथ.
No, so see, the whole thing is we live in a society. In a society, there is always a narrative. Like I use the word narrative. So you have to fight the narrative. Now suddenly I am the wife. Earlier I was the girlfriend, I was the fiance. Now I'm the wife. The tag has changed. So I have realized that, okay, I need to also start thinking in a different manner, because like my husband has made a comeback. He is again in that whole zone of glamour industry. I also have to get back into that whole zone, because somewhere I don't want to go out of the limelight, because I have realized that people are very easily trying to find their sadistic pleasure in other people's life.
Absolutely.
See, reality shows work in India. Big Boss works because people love to see what's happening in other people's life.
We know what's happening inside their life. Yes.
So we have to understand that as women, we have to be fit. Our fitness is more important. Yes, I do believe in physical fitness also, along with mental fitness. But there are some women who have a very hectic lifestyle. They are not able to give that much of time to physical fitness. But then I would advise them, please look into mental fitness, because
Yeah.
mental fitness is the crux of everything.
Absolutely.
You are mentally sharp, you will be able to figure out a lot of things. Mental fitness and physical fitness, the combination is great, and I believe in that combination. For me, my fitness, mental, physical, is more important, and I love to look good, so it's my choice how
Yeah.
I want to look. You don't like it, it's your problem. You want to body shame me, you want to age shame me, it's your problem. I will still attack you if you're attacking me on public platform.
I love it. I love that attitude. When you were saying defense is the best, attack is the best form of defense.
Defense.
So I went to Masai Mara recently, and उसमें जो उनके big 5 animals हैं, the guide showed us कि अच्छा lion ये वो, but they said the African buffalo, the wild buffalo is considered to be the most scariest, the toughest animal in the forest. It's not the lion, simply because उसका जो defense है वो अटैक है. सो इफ यू कम क्लोजर वो अटैक करेगी बिकॉज उसको नहीं पता कि तुम सही करो गलत. बट दैट्स एनिमल इंस्टिंक्ट. व्हाट आई मीन टू से समटाइम्स दैट इज हाउ इट फंक्शंस. इफ यू अटैक यू गेट दैट बैक इन रिटर्न. पायल रिलेशनशिप ना एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज होती है ना. और आपकी और संग्राम की बहुत खूबसूरत लाइफ रही है. एंड कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर द वेडिंग एज वेल.
Thank you.
बिग बॉस की स्टोरी से टू द मैरिज, आज के टाइम में रिलेशनशिप्स की थोड़ी working functioning alag ho gayi, of course, with time.
Yes.
What has been the secret? What has been the secret of this duo?
I think somewhere we are connected on a level where we are beyond words. You understand? There has to be that connection.
Yeah.
You are hearing so many couples are divorcing.
Yeah.
There are couples who have been in relationships, couples who have substance attached to their name, and still they're divorcing. And there are
Yeah.
people who are not frivolous people. There are
Yeah.
people who are responsible. At least they're coming across as responsible. So I'm telling you that the world is going through so much of change because it's a socially media active
Yeah.
world, that a lot of penetrations are happening in the brain. People are getting brainwashed, husbands, wife, friends, bro code, sisterhood. There's so much happening. There's
So
so
much
much
noise. Yeah.
So you need to understand what exactly is your foundation, what is your crux. Both me and Sangram have been with each other for like 12, 13 years, but since the marriage, the friction has increased. It's not decreased. I'm telling you, it's increased, and my videos are a proof of that. The bro code, the sisterhood, everything. It's just a mixture of lot of noise.
Yeah.
But the one thing that I have realized that, okay, he's the same person and he knows that I'm the same person. The noise is there.
Yeah.
But we have to come back to our senses and understand where we are coming from. So we have to get back to that zone,
Yeah.
that realization that where we have come from. Don't get lost in the noise. Let the noise be there, because the noise is going to be there.
Yeah.
Because that's the way the world is functioning. But again, come back to the roots. Come back to the roots. I have to grill myself. He has to grill himself, because
Yeah.
otherwise we'll end up like others.
I think that is how it is. मतलब आपने जब journey बोली, like from TV, of course, glam world.
Yeah.
And then to a point where you were like dating or
Yeah.
girlfriend, boyfriend है.
Yeah,
living
yeah.
है. And then शादी, of course, it's a different ballgame altogether.
Yeah, but the whole thing is everybody wants to now sell a narrative that
Yeah.
that an independent working woman wants a divorce. You understand?
Yeah.
Everybody is out there in the society
Selling a
want-
narrative.
Narrative,
Yeah,
yeah. You want women जो my husband gets forwarded videos कि पतिव्रता लड़की को पैर दबाने चाहिए. He gets forwarded those videos, not forwarded. It's the Instagram search or
That you just get it.
Yeah,
It just pops up.
It just pops up and he's
Yeah.
forwarding it to me. I said ठीक है बेटा, I just sometimes
Yeah.
I said ठीक है, मैं आपके पैर दबा दूंगी, आप भी मेरे पैर दबा देना. तो it's not his fault.
Yeah.
He is continuously being bombarded by that.
Yeah.
So somewhere the thought gets influenced.
Yes,
na?
yes.
So I, as a human being, have started thinking, okay, now my husband is getting bombarded with these videos. He's going to talk like that way. Payal, back off. Just change.
Yeah.
You have to start changing yourself, because you're not able to change him. You're not able to change the world. The noise is being put inside his head. You have to now backtrack. So yeah.
I think I like it. The whole idea is वो आपको अपनी chemistry खुद set करनी है यार, and it's very important to, like she said, just go back to where you started from.
Yeah.
क्योंकि I think after marriage one thing that happens is noise बढ़ जाता है, और ये relationship advice नहीं है. I think it comes from a very practical way of living that noise kill करने के लिए you have to hear each other out, which is the most important thing. I'll also, if I can just ask you for certain tips that you can give to people, not just trolling, but of course, when you're a public celebrity, आपको हर चीज पे judge किया जा रहा होता है. How do we handle judgments? And as women, if I ask you, we're judged for what we wear, where we go, the person we marry, how we fall in love. Everything is judged every minute.
So you
To all the girls, maybe, you know, if you can just
Yeah.
actually tell
So
them.
you see, we are in the times of social media. We are obviously putting ourselves out there. We are saying how we are looking. We are sharing our thoughts. We are sharing our locations. We are sharing our friends. We are sharing our family. We are putting everything out there.
Yeah.
So when you put everything out there, you are going to get things back also.
Yeah.
Some things will be kind. Some things will not be kind.
Yeah.
Try to at least develop an attitude which is able to analyze what is kind and what is not kind, what is real and what is an engineered thought process
Yeah.
or an engineered narrative to affect your brain. Try to understand a genuine feedback, a genuine review, and an engineered or a fake review or a fake
Yeah,
feedback. Okay,
absolutely.
get that kind of analysis in your brain. I don't know what does that
Yeah.
for you. A yoga does it for you, or a gym does it for you, or a run does it for you. I don't know what will do it for you, but try to develop that thought process.
Yeah.
Because I have now even got into 2 startup businesses. I started a food business
Yeah.
and I started a fitness thing, because as an actress I realized that I need to develop a second
Yeah.
source of income
Yeah.
for me and my husband. My husband is like, I can't do business. I said, okay, fine, let me try figuring it out. So when I do business, I get feedback, I get
Yeah.
reviews.
Yeah.
Some of the reviews are generated, you know, they're doctored.
Yeah.
They're engineered. Some of the feedback is genuine, is real, and I have to rationalize. Acha, ye comment, ye review real hai, Payal, you have to work
Yeah.
on this. You need to improve. And ye doctored hai, just ignore. Just don't take it to the heart. So that I just hope every girl gets it.
I think we just need to reach that point जहाँ पे आपको पता है कि आपको क्या चीज़ absorb करनी है और किस चीज़ को आपको दूर रखना है. Payal, of course, talking about entrepreneurship, this thing, you know, women entrepreneurs is a buzz.
Yeah.
There are a lot of women coming ahead. A lot of homemakers are now becoming entrepreneurs. Challenges क्या है? अगर मैं पूछ सकूं, as a
The biggest challenge
Yeah.
is a woman, being a woman as an entrepreneur. Please understand
Yes.
that, because in my food business, I have to deal with labor.
Yeah.
Okay, and the labor can be women labor and the labor can be men labor. The bro code is amazing. We women need to respect sisterhood. We are so stupid when it comes to supporting each other. We are so petty that it is shocking. It is so shocking that I have nothing to say. I have realized a woman will take orders from a man. A woman will not take orders from another woman.
Yes.
And there is major functioning wrong in this thought process. You know, and this needs to be addressed.
Yes.
Men will take orders from a man. Men will take orders even from a woman if they understand that she's in the position of higher. They may mock her on the side later among their bro code.
but they will take it. Yes.
But they will take it. They will do the job. A woman will not do the job. A woman will adda lagao and want to show that, you know, a woman who is misbehaving with me will behave with Sangram. I have realized it in my job, in the business. So I have said, Sangram, that now that, okay, you cannot be a part of the business actively because you think you cannot. I need a male partner, whether it's a male chef or a male manager because women don't listen to women. They want to behave stupid and petty. So that's why women are not able to come up. Women are pulling each other down.
I said the same thing. You need that sisterhood. In fact, you know, the other day we were having this conversation that every Women's Day we have these dialogues. We just need to understand. खींचने वाली भी महिला होती है और actually एक दूसरे को uplift करने वाली भी. You know, I've seen some fantastic women who've really pushed me.
Yeah.
Also some really nasty women who've really pulled me down. So
see, now the marriage thing. When a woman marries a married man, when a girl becomes a second wife, third wife, she's actually attacking the sisterhood.
Absolutely.
A man is selling her a sob story that he's not happy in a marriage, and she's buying that sob story because she wants to be a part of that man's life. But indirectly, she is attacking the sisterhood. So women need to understand that you are ready to take orders from a man, but you are not ready to take orders from a woman.
True.
A man may mistreat you, a man may look at you in a dirty way, a woman is giving you respect, but just because she's a woman you don't want to take orders. Something is wrong in your basic functioning. Men bro code is so strong, Divya, that I'm amazed the way they uplift each other. They are like all there for each other. Bhai main nahi to tu nahi to bhai tu. It is there. It is not about religion. It is not about anything. It is just the bro code. And the sisterhood is like, nahi, I am the one. I want to be. So I hope women, you don't do this.
And it cuts across all sectors. I mean, you can see this in corporates, you can see this in offices, you can see this in other setups. I'm sure in events, जो live events होते हैं, मैंने उनकी teams देखी है, which stands true. Women really need to support women. चेंज आ जाता है जब आप एक दूसरे को थोड़ा सा धक्का देते हो. एंड ऑफ कोर्स टॉकिंग अबाउट द बिजनेस, हाउ एक्साइटेड आर यू अबाउट इट? लाइक लेट्स आस्क अबाउट योर जर्नी.
My journey has been exciting, challenging, but it's been great because I have looked at all the positive aspects. People want to label me as a negative person. I'm not a negative person. I'm the most positive person.
It's a very positive conversation, I must tell you. Yeah.
Because they want to, the men, the men want to label me as complaining. When you say complaining instead of feedback, you're
Yeah.
putting me negative instead of positive.
Yeah.
Feedback is supposed to be positive.
Yeah.
Complaint is supposed to be negative.
Yes.
So that is how they're trying to label me in my reality shows, through troll attack, through everything. So yes, the journey has been great. I have done things which as an actress I wouldn't have done. I would have always not experienced this. As a actress, you always have managers, you have in between people, you are supposed to be a celebrity, you're supposed to be on a pedestal, you're not supposed to interact with everybody, you're supposed to keep that aura around you. But as an entrepreneur, you need to interact with labor, you need to interact with wholesalers, you need to interact with customers, because you have to understand what the customer is thinking, what the wholesaler is selling, how the labor is reacting. So you suddenly connect with people. So for me to come back from my hi-fi zone to connect with the people was amazing. I learned a lot. I became a better human being. I probably humbled a lot because I realized that, oh my God, my life is not just a bed of roses. This is also there. This is also there. This is also there. So it's been a great journey. And the bottom line conclusion is that I need to have a male chef or a male partner because women are not listening to women.
Which is so sad. That इतनी सारी बात का, इतनी सारी important बात का bottom line यही है कि एक पुरुष चाहिए है साथ में ताकि
business हो सके.
This is what we really need to change. I really didn't even expect कि ये actually ये conversation यहाँ पहुँच जाएगी. Final question, like I said, Detox show का नाम है. If I could say, yoga, meditation, you follow a lot of things, simple things of living a healthy life, a happy, healthy life.
I would just say, see, morning is a very, very important time in your life, in everybody's life. You get up and you have thoughts coming in. You need to channelize those thoughts. I am not saying become somebody who does a headstand or become somebody who does a backflip, yoga ke difficult asanas karo, but just try with simply rolling a mat and stretching your body. The moment you stretch your body, you will synchronize those morning thoughts, because morning is the most crucial part of your day. Your day can become something or your day can go for a toss. So just get hold of your day before the day gets hold of you. That is very important, because the moment you get up, it starts. So before that takes hold of you, you take hold of it. Yes, I believe in listening to mantras because I am like that way. I believe मैं सिर्फ जो मंत्रा सुनती हूँ ना, मेरे को उससे इतनी शांति मिलती है. आई एम इन माई ओन जोन. सो दैट इज माई वे ऑफ मेकिंग माई माइंड हेल्थ स्ट्रॉन्गर. इट्स अप टू यू इफ यू वांट टू फॉलो इट or not.
I loved it. मैं ये दोनों चीजें कर रही हूँ. I think next time जब हम मिले तो शायद मैं और बेहतर हो चुकी हूँ. But Payal, thank you so much. This is a new Payal that I met, and I have to be honest with that. Insta पे actually इतना दिखता है ना. I get to spend time, and of course detox. ये अगर आप वीडियो देखोगे, I'm sure you'll also understand. She's a girl who's got a voice, and that's important. Thank you for watching.